everybody, so today we are right now in Bustleton at our caravan park beach, and we just got a new paddleboard, so we're gonna test it out now. And this is the paddleboard. It's pretty big, it's the biggest one, and we're gonna go test it out. Let's go. Woo! So we are now on the paddleboard and we're about to go out. Little wobbly. So we're pretty far out. But you have to stay, Daddy.
Pretty fun.
Yeah.
Go, buddy. Hey! That's not the deal. Hey! God, you know it comes back at you though when I have the paddle.